when you said that you would never leave. You told me more, so much more like with the time you whispered in my ear. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. We don't even